Jordan brand readies the Air Jordan 4 Cozy Girl for a holiday 2025 women's exclusive drop, infusing the classic silhouette with seasonal textures and premium comfort. Crafted with a suede upper and fuzzy laces, the design embraces a hemp and light Orewood brown palette for subtle sophistication. Drawing from material-driven AJ retros like satin ones and winterized editions, this release preserves the AJ4's heritage shape while adding a warm, tactile twist. Its premium build and versatile tones make it equally suited for streetwear styling or casual layering. Jordan brand continues to highlight comfort, detail, and adaptability in its women's lineup, ensuring both style and practicality for colder months. Available in women's sizing via Nike.com and select retailers, the Cozy Girl AJ4 offers a winter-ready interpretation of a basketball icon while maintaining its timeless, off-court appeal.